Hello and welcome to today's video on cryptocurrency trading. In this video, we will discuss some advanced strategies for trading cryptocurrencies, as well as some of the best crypto trading courses for advanced traders. Firstly, let's talk about some advanced strategies that you can use for trading cryptocurrencies. One such strategy is called technical analysis, which involves studying market charts and indicators to identify trends and patterns. This can help you make informed trading decisions based on market data. Another strategy that can be helpful for advanced traders is fundamental analysis, which involves looking at the underlying factors that can affect the value of a particular cryptocurrency. These can include things like industry news, economic data, and even social media sentiment. Now, let's move on to the best crypto trading courses for advanced traders. One great course is offered by TradingView, which provides in-depth education on technical analysis and other trading strategies. Another popular course is taught by the experts at CryptoTrader.tax, which offers a comprehensive guide to tax strategies for cryptocurrency traders. Lastly, for our bonus point, we recommend checking out the course offered by CryptoSlate Academy. This course covers a wide range of topics, from advanced trading strategies to risk management and portfolio optimization. It's a great choice for anyone looking to take their cryptocurrency trading skills to the next level. So there you have it, some advanced strategies for trading cryptocurrencies, as well as some great courses for advanced traders. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content.